Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Black Mountain, Kentucky, living our best life. We're going to be going up the rail bed here. Got some onboard footage from Jared and his RZR Pro. We're going to have Kenneth and his KRX going up the same thing. After that, we're going to make our way up to the Lion's Den and stop at a few places along the way. This is one of those trails that's way rougher in person. Jared's making it look pretty easy right here.
Long wheelbase, if you are Jared, yours will go straight up and over. I mean, if you can't make a turn, you always go stuff here.
That turn was way easier than I thought it was going to be on it. Well, Jared made it look pretty easy. Now we're going to check out Kenneth going up through here in his KRX. Now, if you guys haven't done so, man, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. And another thing for you guys not to forget is Mountain Mayhem is still coming up at the end of July 27th through the 29th. We're looking forward to it, man. We're going to get out there. We're going to have a good time. There's going to be different events, different food vendors, different vendors sell parts and stuff like that. Man, if you got the opportunity to, you should definitely come check it out. I'll put a link down in the description so you guys can go on their website and look at all the different things they got. It's definitely worth your time. Now right now Ken's taking it a little slow, getting his four-wheel drive locked in and stuff like that, and he's really waiting on us to radio into him, telling him that we made it up to the top so we can catch some video footage of him coming out the top of it.
Hey, we're at the top. Coming your way.
Now, one thing I haven't really talked about is I appreciate each and every single one of you guys subscribing to the videos and liking and sharing and commenting and everything. It means a lot to us. We just passed the 2,000 subscriber mark, man. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys subscribing, and we're going to keep bringing you guys videos. Man, these guys are making this trail look really easy. It's really not this easy, I promise you. Well, we've made our way over to the little rock garden. Kenneth said he's going to play around a little bit, so let's see what he does here. Man, he's crawling through there like it ain't nothing. Well, we made our way to killing time. We found another group. We'll see how they come through here. Man, they are just getting it. Looks like he's hung up a little bit. I think he's going to back up. I'm going to back up here just for a minute. He's getting a little crazy down there. I ain't trying to get hit in the head with another rock. Man, he is giving it the beans. Man, I wish I could get up there and show you guys some closer action, but this is as close as I can get because I don't really know that group. But man, that trail must be pretty rough for him to be wide open like that. That's a big Jeep. Let's see how his buddy hits it. Man, them boys was wide open. So now we're going to make our way to the Lion's Den, and we're going to be taking the road through there. I'm going to show you a little bit of onboard footage of what it's like to actually get up there. The cool thing about Black Mountain is most of the trail going to the different hard trails. The green trail up there, it's pretty easy to navigate. You can navigate through it pretty quick, and then when it comes time for the hard trail, it gets rough pretty fast. One good riding tip I give to any group is whenever you get to an intersection like this, just slow down, make sure the guy behind you is within sight and know which way you're going, because you see back there, there's 3 different ways you can possibly win. Now this is called Malfunction Junction. There's 2 turnoffs right up here. And this is the way that we found is the easiest to go to the lion's den. It's a good little rock ledge right here to climb up though.
I hate this.
Here's another example of us coming up to an intersection, me just slowing down, letting people behind me know which way I'm going before I head on. Right now we're getting close to the lines and I can see the sign up there. You guys probably can't tell it on camera, but we're going to head straight ahead and make our way to the lion's den there.
Yeah, I know. He's waiting on his group.
Well, we made it up here and we got a guy saying he's going through it. He's making this first part look easy. Let's see how he does on the drop off. Oh, that was easy. Man, this guy's putting on a rock crawling clinic right now. He's making this look way too easy. Unfortunately, we got to stop editing the video right here, and I'll have a video for you guys out next week to show you guys this guy finishing up in the lion's den. Until next time, I'll see y'all on the trail.